Hi guys, many times wish you were here through the velvet shadows of my dreams. Many times wish you were near through the darkness as it came, but it seems
that you never said what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me. Wish your words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed. Let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead the way to your heart. Through the mirrors of silence, you love me. Quietly, I'd waited for the memory born of our first days. Patiently, I'd waited for the moment you would take me to war.
dying. I've never seen the world before.
Just tell me you love me. Whisper